Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to change a carburetor on a Husqvarna 61 chainsaw. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove this cover. There's 3 screws, 1, 2, 3. On this model it's either a flathead or a Phillips. Once the screws are loose, just pull straight up and out. Next, we're going to remove the filter. That's 2 flathead screws. Loosen those up and set that aside. First thing I'm going to do is unhook this linkage here. Just take a screwdriver and just pry it out. It'll pop right out, and move that back. On this side is your throttle linkage. We're just going to take and pry that out, just like so, and just remove it right from the carburetor. After your linkages are removed, you will have 1 gas line. Go ahead and remove that. Let that sit aside. Now next, we'll have 3 Allen screws. We'll have a 3mm here and 2 4mm on each side. So we're going to start with the 3mm. Take that screw and washer and set it aside. After you've taken out the 3mm screws, your 2 4mm screws, there's 1 here and 1 here. We'll go ahead and get those loosened up. All right, once you get these 2 screws loosened up and this screw here removed, you should be able to just lift it straight up and out. All right, now that we got the carburetor removed, we're going to pull the 2 screws out, just like so. Set that aside, clean stuff up. This part on the back will come off. Change your gasket. Old carburetor, new carburetor. Double check, make sure everything's lined up the way it should be. All right, now to reassemble, we're going to put our screws back through here. New gasket. We'll go on just like this. New gasket on the back. Your spacer, just like so. Alright, once your pieces are back together, take this rubber grommet, put over this, and set it back down in the slot, just like so. Once everything lines back up, take your 4mm screw, screw it back in. Repeat for the other side. Snug it up. And once that's finished, we'll go ahead and install our 3mm screw right here. Alright, next we're going to hook up our gas line. Our choke linkage. Same thing, screwdriver on the side, should pop right in. And this piece that we took off earlier will go into here, just like so. And then pops back in to your throttle. Give it a test. Looks like it's working. Go ahead and install our gasket. New filter. Once our filter is installed, we're going to go ahead and put our top back on. Tighten up the 3 screws. Alright guys, that's all there's to it. It's a pretty simple procedure to change the carburetor on the Husqvarna 61. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks again for watching.